Have you been let down by a fitness trainer, by a guru, by a training program that's promised you your weight loss goals, that's promised to put muscle on, help you with your strength, and it hasn't worked? You've come up empty-handed and you're not feeling flash about it. My name's John. I'm from Boot It Fitness. I'm a former British paratrooper, and I started this company with my good friend Mark from the Army, and we've developed our training programs over the years in New Zealand, and we've built our transformation program, Mind Body Transformation, where we've learned from our clientele what works, what doesn't work, how to mold this properly, and now we've brought it online. So with our training, we make sure that it's enjoyable for you. We don't like the idea of pre-prescribing, sending you out, because when you get there, you find you're not enjoying the training. What do? Okay, most people drop off. So we make sure that the training stays enjoyable. You've always got the option to try something different, and we help you pursue your results doing training that you want to do. Nutrition's the same. We make sure, abiding by the basics, you have cut out the refined sugar, refined grains, trans fats, then you pursue the nutrition that you want to. Just making sure that you're monitoring the calories, okay? Now, our application brings all of this in together, the training, the nutrition. We make sure that it's offsetting the nutrition that you're putting in against the training that you're doing, calculate that you're in deficit, which helps you get results fast. Also, our support engine is run through Messenger and Facebook, so we give you round-the-clock, tailored support. So if you're not feeling flash, we're going to hit you up, see how you're going, give you the right support that you need to get you back on track. If you're doing well, we're going to boost you up into the red zone and get you training harder, better, more efficient. And all of this is brought together with the big thing, our biggest point of difference, which is our mind state, okay? And mind state we use for everything. We employ it with when we're starting with our goals, our motivations. We employ it with how we're approaching training, our attitude towards training, during training, after training, our attitudes at the end of the workday when we're feeling slack and lazy, okay? It's all about, mind state's all about having a positive approach, positive thoughts, okay? Having positive thoughts in place, and if we fall off, getting us back on to the right track, okay? And this is essential to our mind-body transformation, okay, and why we call it mind-body transformation. So we want you to take this bad boy up with us and be one of the first crew to do it online with us. Go hard.